this analog fiber optic voice transmitter demonstration made by Mars ME 1208. This is DC power supply 6 volt. This terminal of positive, this terminal of negative, and this terminal of positive and this negative. This is 6 volt DC. This is mic pin. Here is preamplifier and this power amplifier circuit. This optical output and this preamplifier and output amplifier. This external speaker and this is LED. Accessories for fiber optic cable. This is mic and this wooden for speaker 4 inches and stand for numerical aperture, and this cable fiber optic cable 2 meter, and then second 10 meter optical wires required for experiment kits. Now switch on the instrument after connection for transmitter receiver, and this patch cord 6 volt terminal to L socket connected and negative terminal for N ground connected, and this mic connect, and this final output this connect speaker. And now voice transmitter, hello 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 hello, and this LED is glowing, hello hello. This is voice transmitter, hello 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 hello, and this connection of power amplifier receiver. This fiber optic cable connect to the C3 point and then photo detector this terminal, and now 6 volt DC connected terminal of Q and this negative terminal of S, and now this is output of power amplifier. This connect speaker, and now connect the external speaker, and this experiment of receiver